In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use multiple site IDs in SuperControl to create different content in the guest login for different brands or different sets of properties. So under Admin, Customization Options, you have the option here to add additional websites to your account. If this option to add a new site is missing, just contact our support team and we can add that in for you. In this case, I've set up a Cottages brand and a Lodges brand. So within a booking, I can assign which site I want this booking to be associated with, and I can do that under the Website and Source tab here. So I've selected in this booking Robert's Lodges. If I go to Admin and then Guest Login, you can see here that we have two links available for our different sites. I've got them both enabled here. So first of all, I'm going to configure the welcome content for these different websites. So if I go to welcome content, and here you can see I've got selected Robert Cottages, and I've added a picture of cottage, but obviously you'd have whatever is relevant to this property. If I flip this to Robert Lodges, you can see I have different content. And I can change the branding, color theme, and I can add these pages which are specific to each site. So if I go to add a new page, I can choose which site to add that to. If you tick apply to all sites, then that information is going to be relevant for all of the, it will appear for all bookings. So what does that look like? So if I go to preview my Lodges account, you can see that I've got the welcome content for the Lodges, and I've got my page that I added specifically for the Cottages. And similarly, if I preview the Lodges account, again, I've got the content that I wanted and different color branding, and I've also got the information that's relevant. So this helps you retain your different brands, different locations, different sets of properties, so that the information in the guest login is relevant to the guest, the location that the guest has booked.